Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about the 10-minute morning workout routine, a quick and effective way to kickstart your day. Begin with a 2-minute warm-up featuring arm circles, leg swings, and marching in place to prepare your body for exercise and prevent injuries. Next, do 1 minute of jumping jacks to boost your heart rate, followed by 1 minute of bodyweight squats to engage your legs and core. Move on to 1 minute of push-ups to strengthen your upper body. Modify by using your knees if needed. Afterward, hold a plank for 1 minute to target your core, ensuring your body stays in a straight line. For cardio, do 1 minute of high knees, running in place while lifting your knees to waist level. Then, perform alternating lunges for 1 minute, stepping forward and lowering into a 90-degree bend with each leg. Finish with a 2-minute cool-down, stretching forward to touch your toes, pulling your ankle for a quad stretch, and relaxing in child's pose. To maximize results, stay hydrated, wear comfortable clothing, and aim to make this routine a daily habit. In just 10 minutes, you'll feel more awake, energized, and ready to conquer the day. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.